Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to delete a sitemap in Google Search Console. This is my Google Search Console account, and to delete a sitemap, first click on Sitemaps from this left side menu. As you see, I have one sitemap added to this account. Click on it first, and now click on these three dots and hit Remove Sitemap. Confirm your selection and wait a moment. And this is how to delete a sitemap in Google Search Console. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger, hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.